What is up, everybody? So before we get into today's video, I do want to kind of give some insight. This is actually like 4 months after I actually did these recordings, because I didn't really record a lot of the process because we were having issues. But we're gonna go ahead and start with what we have, basically starting from the first point of getting the engine prepared and then actually getting it somewhat dropped in. Before we get into today's video, I kind of want to show off something I kind of been working on my other projects. So we have a 1999 Polaris Sportsman. I actually had this thing running, believe it or not, and come to find out, the camshaft the exhaust lobe was completely ground down, and I didn't really know that because, I didn't really know much about four-wheelers or what the cam lobes are supposed to be. That should be up and running at the latest next month before I leave for Florida. That should be done. So over here we have another hobby of mine, which is peppers. This is a chili red hot pepper, and I've already harvested a lot of peppers off of this. And this right here is my habanero plant. I'm gonna have to I've already harvested 3 habaneros off of this. It's kind of getting late in the season though. See, we got one starting to ripen. We got some of these ripening. This right here is my Carolina Reaper. So chili red, habanero, ghost pepper, Carolina Reaper, and Scotch bonnets. But there is a Carolina Reaper growing on there, right there. And then we have, right there. There's one there, and then there's one hiding back there. And then we got a lot of Scotch bonnets on there. We got a lot of them on there. And then over here we had some other plants, but these need watered, so I'm probably gonna water these real quick, and then we'll get into the video. Woo! Woo! Oh, did not know he was in there. There was a freaking wasp in there, and I did not know it. All right, we're gonna let this sit for the tomatoes. Working on ale engine. Got the serpentine belt put on. Got the power steering pump. Jesus, that's the power steering pump. The AC pump I removed, so this pulley isn't even being used anymore. But I got it routed to where everything runs how it's supposed to. But got homie Ballard. Hey, dog. Ballard. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. Start moving some stuff out of the way. That's fine. Yeah. You can stick those by the Prelude if you want. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, okay, never mind. I won't bother you then. I was going to see if you could bring your truck over here so I can throw the Prelude in the engine at the back of it. The Prelude. try to get this freaking engine in the Prelude. We might need that third block.
What?
Or third, you know what I'm saying? Third board from him.
Back it up a little
bit. All right, let me go get the bar. Ballard, what you doing, boy? What you doing, Ballard? What you doing, boy? What you doing, boy? Dang it. Oh, it feels so weird to not have an engine sitting right here. All right. So what the heck did I come in here for? Ah, yes, the bar. I know. That's not gonna work. I had one that was white. What is right? You know what? We'll just use this one. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna need it. I think. Half ton is all right. That's the 1,000 pounds.
yeah.
I'm just trying to make sure I got. Ballard, what the fuck do you think you're doing, buddy? He's like, I don't know. I just got my mohawk.
He's wagging his tail.
Yeah, he wags his tail like a duck, or like a dog.
Wags his tail like a duck.
All right, now we're back. Yeah, loosen up the strap and see if we can get that out. That wasn't Noah. That's some redneck hillbilly. That's goddamn Jeff Gordon right there, boy.
God, dude, that sun's starting to beat down again. I'm in a black fucking shirt.
You want a thinner shirt? Hey, you better watch out, bro. You're gonna turn all these white girls on. Hey, my channel is family friendly, okay? Say, there's your family right there, boy. All right.
I'm pretty friendly.
Let's see. Hopefully it'll start to lift it up.
I don't care to give it help in the front. I jump up and like help ease it off the tailgate.
Come on, please. Please. Ooh, we're leaning. Oh, shit. Why are we leaning so bad?
Maybe take it to a ton.
To a ton?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't really take my hands off the motor. It's gonna fall back on itself.
Oh, let me think about this. Oh, there's Noah. You came in at a real good time.
You need to stand on one side or both?
I think just that side. Because once we can get the engine up and in the air.
These bricks off with it too, so here it goes.
Alright.
Please don't fucking fall and crush my foot. I'm just gonna keep it.
There goes one brick. There goes another. Oh, okay.
Alright.
Okay. Alright, hold on. Let me get this engine balanced. Alright, so slowly step off of that. Yeah, we wanna see if it's gonna tip or not. Yeah, it's tipping. It's Fuck. Oh, that's why. I need that pin. Step on that side again. This side doesn't have its fucking pin. There we go. Now you can step off of it.
Yep. That side don't have a cotter pin to it?
No, it doesn't have a cotter pin.
I gotta fucking hold that pin in and move it.
No, I can go get a cotter pin. I have cotter pins. So we'll just use one of these for right now. Okay. Now that we know that this shit ain't gonna tip now, tip it is big. All right. All right. Hold on, that front one's digging. Watch your head. Whoa. Okay.
I can slide it over.
That one right there?
Yeah, it's on the front. Get it out a little bit.
Oh, yeah. Great, yeah. I didn't realize that nothing was on there. This should be perfect. Yeah, I was like, can I use your floor joists? He goes, oh, those are sheathing boards. I said, fucking bet, that's what we need. Where'd Noah go?
Probably better to have it back here, so that way we can just swivel.
Yeah, then we can just put those there. Dude, we're building a house right now. All right, I'm gonna try to pivot.
We have one more piece to slide here.
Let's go grab another piece.
Throw it underneath that one.
Let's try to get that one that's a little dry in the bag. It's been out of the elements. Ooh, that one's a really good one. Alright, let me see if I can. Alright, hold on. Let me cut this. Okay, so it's been a couple of days since the last video segment. Me and the boys, we just got tired. We got tired of fighting the engine, trying to get it in the engine bay. But as you can see, it's a little bit different from when I first showed the engine in the previous video and the beginning of this video. So the belt, I really don't think that's enough tension. So I might go and get a smaller belt. But for right now, as in terms of completeness or looking complete, we're just going to keep that on there. I mean, it's got enough tension where it's actually has tension here and on the other side of the pulley, so it might still spin the pulley. But if not, if it starts screaming, I'll just go get a smaller belt. It's no biggie. But I had to remove the power steering pump because in order for me to run this mount here, I had to remove the power steering pump. There was no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I tried to go around it. I even thought about taking this off and mounting this there so I could run it, but you know, I ran into too many issues. So we got that mounted. We have a different belt on. This front mount, I couldn't run the exhaust that I have with this mount, so I'm gonna have to modify the exhaust, which is fine. There's literally an exhaust shop down the road from my house, so I can see if maybe he can weld some exhaust pipe on there or something, but we'll wait until after the engine's actually in the car. But today is Monday, May 6th. Yeah, today's the 6th, so tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm gonna try to even lift this up and see if I can get it actually in the engine. But that's what we're gonna start off or stop here for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, so again, you know, this is a couple months after I've done the install, but this is pretty much what we have as of right now. So, we'll pop the hood real quick. I mean, she's in there. You know, she's mounted there, mounted there, mounted down there, but it's not mounted back here. There's a few things I gotta tweak for it to fit, like the ears on that bracket, it doesn't fit. And obviously you can see that that's kind of twisted and it's not straight. So there's a few things I got to modify, but for the most part, it's not too bad. Easy stuff. But, you know, I've put some reminders on there for me and some other things on here, like to remove that. That goes for the brake, and I'm not sure what those spacers are, but got to do some battery relocation and stuff like that. But as far as that, I mean, that concludes this video. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.